All right, what are we doing today?
We're going to a park.
How are we going to get there?
We're going to walk in the sand. Come on.
Which lake is that right there?
The beach.
What lake is it? Oh, what's the name of it? You know what it's called. It starts with
Michigan.
Yes.
Lake Michigan.
Yes. And what city are we in?
Huh?
What city are we in?
Wisconsin.
Good enough. All right.
To try, right? To go across the lighthouse because to go all the way across the lake, that would be way too far. No one can do that, right?
Right.
It's way too big to cross.
Yep.
Remember over there we watched the fireworks.
Yep.
That fish are coming. No, that fish. Seashell. They go together, right?
Yep. Those are from zebra mussels. We don't like zebra mussels.
What are zebra mussels?
They're an invasive species.
What are invasive species?
They're something that came in off of other boats. And now they're wrecking the lake.
And here's another one.
Oh yeah, they're everywhere.
And another one. And another one. Another one. Another one. They're all over here.
Go get them. Look at all their feet, all their footprints in the sand.
Come on.
Run at this bunch right here.
I did not find.
Because you're not close enough. You gotta run.
Let's just go to the pool park. Okay? Go through the path.
Don't move.
Move away! Got it! Should we just go this way? This is
Just
good.
go straight at the park. Don't move. Trust me. Don't move.
Why?
Because they don't want you to run them over.
Or do they? And the seagulls are nice.
Look, there's different kinds of birds over there too.
Where?
There's seagulls and then there's some other kind of birds with black heads.
I'm gonna run for you, little peppers. They're gonna pet me. And now they're all flying away. You guys move away, or else I'm gonna run over you with the booty tigers. That's bald eagles. I'm walking on this rock bridge. We're gonna go all the way to the lighthouse. Okay, so we're not. This is on the side of the chapel up here. There's all the rocks. There's like a here. Cannot go down. Cannot go on here. Like a little puddle of sand over here. And like, I wonder. Kind of like little, like, you can go this down all the way to the left. Yeah. Another puddle. Cannot go that way. There's water down there. Look at Daddy. There's water down there.
Yep. This is where all the boats park.
Huh?
That's where all the boats park.
And come on. Get in there. Get a little thing. Here's the water. And here's a fishy swimming upside down.
Yep.
bass, right?
That's an alewife. We wish he was a little bass.
Look at that little, like something big down there, like an octopus. There's an octopus down there.
No, there's no octopus in the
Yeah.
lake. Nope, them are only in the ocean. We don't have ocean. We just have a big lake that looks like an ocean.
Yeah. What is that swimming around with those, like,
Same thing. Those are alewives. They're all alewives. Those are fish that the big fish eat.
What is that on that rock right there?
That's seaweed,
Seaweed on that rock.
like algae.
Algae for fish. Algae for fish. Right over there.
Yep, let's get away from the edge.
He's eating something, right?
Yep.
He might be eating like seaweed or something. Here's another one swimming upside down. Right there, right there, right there.